Hello everyone, I am Madhuri Reddy and my seminar topic is cybersecurity under the guidance of Professor Veer Gangadhar Swami. The contents of the seminar is as follows. Abstract. Cybersecurity refers to the technologies and processes designed to protect computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, vulnerabilities, and attacks delivered via the internet by cyber criminals. The speed of processes and also the quality of knowledge to be utilized in defensive the cyber area cannot be handled by humans while not sizable automation. However, it is troublesome to develop software system with standard mounted algorithms for effectively defensive against the dynamically evolving attacks in networks. It has turned out to be evident that numerous cyber security issues are additionally settled with progress only procedures of artificial intelligence area unit acquiring utilized. Cybersecurity computing applications and analyzes the views of improving the cybersecurity abilities by suggesting AI applications and the already existing methods. Introduction. It is understandable that security against cyberbats will be achieved only by intelligent code, and events of the most recent years have been shown quickly increasing intelligence of malware and cyber weapons. Applications of network central warfare makes cyber incidents particularly dangerous, and changes in cybersecurity are desperately needed. The new security ways like dynamic setup of secured perimeters, comprehensive scenario awareness, extremely machine-driven reaction on attacks in networks would require wide usage of artificial intelligent ways and knowledge-based tools. The day-to-day rising and progressing cybersecurity threat facing global businesses can be reduced by the integration of artificial intelligence into cybersecurity systems. Artificial intelligence is required, initial of all, for speedy reactions to things in web. It is considered crucial to the role of cybersecurity. AI protects sites from attacks and identify quickly new threats and can speed up the process of noticing attacks. Also beneficial in preventing a full-scale breach being unleashed. Objective. To create a secure cyber ecosystem in the country, generate adequate trust and confidence in IT systems and transactions in cyberspace, and thus enhance adoption of IT in all sectors. To create an assurance framework for design of security policies. To strengthen the regulatory framework for ensuring a secure cyberspace ecosystem. We can define the main objectives of cybercrime in three ways as integrity modification, confidentiality disclosure, and availability access. Literature survey is as follows. Platform architecture. Here, we can categorize cybercrime in two ways, the computer as a target and the computer as a weapon. Firstly, the computer as a target, which means using a computer to attack other computer. For example, hacking, virus attacks, denial of service attacks, and etc. The computer as a weapon, which means using a computer to commit real-world crime. Example, credit fraud. Major security problems in cybercrime are as follows: virus, hackers, malware, Trojan horses, password cracking. First, here comes the virus and worms. A virus is a program that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. Malicious software that attaches itself to other software is known as virus and worms. The solution for this is to install a security suite that protects the computer against threats such as viruses and worms. Hackers. In common, a hacker is a person who breaks into computers, usually by gaining access to administrative controls. Hacking in simple terms means an illegal intrusion into a computer system and/or a network. Malware. The word malware comes from the term malicious software. Malware is any software that infects and damages a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permission. We have many types of malware: viruses, trojans, rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, and adware. Trojan horses. Trojan horses are email viruses that can duplicate themselves, steal information, or harm the computer system. These viruses are the most serious threats to computers. Password cracking. Password attacks are attacks by hackers that are able to determine passwords or find password to different protected electronic areas and social network sites. Role of AI in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence techniques are more flexible and robust than contemporary cybersecurity solutions. Therefore, increasing security implementation and better defense systems from a growing number of advanced and complex cyber threats. Though we have many benefits when we use artificial intelligence techniques for cybersecurity, but it is not the only solution for security. An artificial intelligence technique needs continuous human communication and training. Private sector businesses and corporations have already deployed artificial intelligence systems. Even some governments are using the technology. It's because artificial intelligence can save time and money by going through structured data quickly, as well as comprehensively reading and learning unstructured data, statistics, words, and phrases. On the other hand, artificial intelligence can sit back, collect data, and wait for a hacker to get messy. AI looks for behavioral abnormalities that hackers are bound to display. For instance, the way a password is typed or where the user is logging in. Artificial intelligence can detect these small signs that otherwise might have gone unnoticed and halt the hacker in their tracks. Implementation. The security expert system follows a set of rules to battle cyber attacks. It checks the processes with the knowledge base. If it is good known processes, then the security system ignore, otherwise the system would terminate the process. If there is no such process in knowledge base, then using inference engine algorithms, the expert system finds out the machine state. The machine state has been composed into 3 states, namely safe, moderate, and severe. According to the machine state, the system alerts the administrator or the user about the status, and then the inference has been fed to knowledge base. Artificial intelligence systems can integrate with existing cybersecurity functions. Some of these include creating more accurate biometric-based login techniques, detecting threats and malicious activities using predictive analytics, enhancing learning and analysis through natural language processing, securing conditional authentication and access. Fast response is essential to securing an organization from cyber attacks. With artificial intelligence, the overall time taken to detect threats and breaches is reduced by up to 12%. AI also reduces the time taken to remediate a breach or implemented patches in response to an attack by 12%. Conclusion. In the present scenario of quickly growing intelligence of malware and class of cyber attacks, it is inescapable to develop intelligent cybersecurity ways. By implementing proper cyber ethics, majority of cyber attacks can be prevented. In a nutshell, computer security is a very broad area which is becoming significantly important as the world itself turning into digital mode with networks being used to carry out vital transactions. Latest tools are used on par to minimize them in order to have a safe and secure future in cyber world. Future scope. We can use artificial intelligence in various ways for the benefit of cybercrime security. In future, we may have most intelligent systems than these techniques. Even the attackers or intruders will also use the AI for attacks. Clearly, the emerging advances in data understanding, handling, and illustration What is more, in machine learning will greatly enhance the cybersecurity capability of systems that would use them. References. Thank you.